So today I've got some of my Breyerfest stuff, and I'm going to open it up and we'll see what we've got. So I believe this is the Breyerfest pin. It is. I was like, alright, I'll order one of these. It's kind of cute. Little horse of a different color pin. Alright. Oh, it's all like dark green bags. Ooh. Okay, so here's one. And let's see. Oh, it says pepper on the bag. Okay. So every year it seems like Breyer releases like, I don't know, an older mold for a special run. And I'm always surprised by that because it's always like something rather unpopular. You know what I mean? Like, okay, I think this is like the Clydesdale mare. Like, I don't think she's a very popular mold. And if Breyer's going to release older molds like that aren't going to sell out, then I honestly think that they should be making the colors really spectacular. Like, put a really spectacular color that people have to have on an older mold, and maybe they'll sell out. Or, do a smaller run. Like, why didn't... Okay, Pepper was probably a run of, I don't know how many, I'm just gonna guess, 1,500. But why don't they do a run of, like, 700? I feel like they would sell out so much better, they'd be more popular. And, I mean, this girl's an older mold, so she's not very popular, but... I'm not a fan of her at all, so I think she's going to be for sale. You can see, I mean, the mold just has these awful lines and stuff, and I mean, this model would probably be much more popular if it just didn't look so bad. Okay, so let me stop bashing on Breyer now. She was a 2019 model. Meh. Alright. Ooh. Oh, okay. This is an oldie. This is like, I don't even know how you say his name. Aintree? I think? Aintree? Something like that. I think he's the Cigar Thoroughbred. Okay. This one I might actually keep. I honestly, it's not a mold that I collect. I currently have Citation and Barbero, and that's it, because, I mean, when I was a kid, I absolutely had to have Barbero. I thought Barbero was like the most amazing racehorse ever, so I needed Barbero, and I got him. I recently acquired a Citation, and I don't even know if I'll keep Citation. I actually liked this guy's color. Like, okay, he's not bad. Look at this guy. I think I'm going to keep this guy. Aside from his crapples, he does have crapples. He's actually kind of nice. So, he is an older mold and stuff, and I think that was the reason why they had so many left over of these. I have seen so many of these grab bags on the internet. It's crazy. Like, how many models are left over after Breyerfest? But these guys, I mean, they've shown up in all kinds of grab bags, and he's from 2012, and he's actually pretty. I actually really like he's got a nice buckskin coloring, and I like what they did here on his leg. They gave him these markings like a dappled gray horse would have. They actually did kind of cool with that. I'm like, oh, that's neat. So, I think he's going to be on my shelf. I think he's going to stay. He's a cool one. So, let me grab my bags before they all fly away in the wind. Okay. Ooh, next. Okay. This is a Thorn. We're going to find out if this is a glossy or a matte Thorn. Stay tuned. Thorn is another one that I'm not sure is going to stay or not. He might be for sale, he might not. Again, he's one of those old molds that just aren't popular. I think if Breyer... Oh, I don't know. I can't tell right now, but he looks glossy. I think I got the glossy, which I liked the glossy on this guy. He actually, it really made his nice metallic coat like pop. So, I got the glossy. Alright, he was from Breyerfest 2020, and I believe 750 of them were matte, and 750 of them were glossy. If Breyer's gonna do vintage models, they need to do a glossy matte split like that. It makes it more popular, and the lower number's nice. I think they could have gone a little lower, like 500 each. He might have been even more popular. But he's actually pretty. I like him. It's not one of my favorite older molds, but he's alright. I do love the new tail that they gave him. I think that the new tail is really nice on him. I kind of wish they had touched up his mane a little bit and made it a little nicer. But he's not bad. And he's got like mottling on his muzzle here and mottling around his eyes. He's got a really nice metallic sheen to his coat, like it's not overdone. It's actually really pretty. And he's glossy. Okay, I like this one. This one is probably going to be a keeper too. And the last one, I believe this is Ash. And I already have Ash, so I'm probably not going to be keeping Ash. If anyone wants to buy Pepper or Ash, send me a message, because I'll probably be selling them super, super cheap. Like, I don't even know what I can get for Pepper. I don't think anyone wants her, so I'd probably sell her for like $70. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Okay, and I'm going to be comparing this guy to the one that I already have, and I'm going to have to pick which one is better, like the one on my shelf or this one. Who's better? Oh, this guy is just beautiful. You know, I saw this model, and I am so amazed that more people didn't buy this guy. Like, how did they not sell out of these? I thought for sure, like, he's a beautiful Shire, he's on the Othello mold. You know, everything on the Othello mold sells super fast. And he's a beautiful horse. He's got a nice paint job, he's a nice dapple gray, he's glossy. How are these still left over? Seriously? I would have thought everyone would snatch these up. Everyone would have wanted one of these, but apparently not. So, I've got a second one, and he will also be for sale. I think he's going to probably be the one I sell. I think the one that I have has a little bit nicer dapples and stuff. I mean, he's a beautiful horse, though. And I do like him. But, yeah. So that's my Breyerfest loot so far. And I will be uploading a video whenever my special runs get here. So I'm going to have 6 special runs. 3 of them are the Surprise horse. And I will also have, I think I have something else coming. Yes, I have the 3 limited runs from the store coming. So check back and I'll make a video on that when I get them. Thanks for watching.